August 26, 2015, Tropical Storm Erika wreaked havoc on Dominica, dumping 13 inches of rain in the island over 12 hours. Hundreds of homes have been destroyed and many bridges have been washed away, limiting access to some communities. But nowhere was the destruction and fatalities as grave as in the southeastern village of Petite Savanne.
Before Erika, the people from the village of Petite Savanne, we used to live a good life. We had what we wanted.
Fabian Fontaine lost his mother, father, sister, brother and uncles to Erika.
In the morning when I woke up, I went to see I was working, but we did not go work that day because of the intensity of the rain. When I reached by the distillery, they were evacuated already. They was evacuated from the distillery into another man's home, sheltering. And I myself was there. A guy came down to tell me, to greet me, because while I haven't seen him, so I make a few steps to greet him. That few steps, when I turned back, everybody was gone within seconds. The slide came down and took everybody. Even me was caught up under the mud slide as I thought that this day would be my last day.
Most residents were employed at the village's Bay Oil distillery, but the decade-old plant was not spared by Erika's fury. Harold recalls the lives lost as the plant's boiler exploded and was swept away by raging flood waters.
This whole mountain came down and then threw down the distillery in the river, and then it exploded as a bomb. There was about 10 young guys standing there, and then because of the explosion of the boiler, then it killed mostly all of them. Everything that was in here washed away to the ocean.
About 800 residents lost their homes, farmlands, and their entire village.
Because of the extent of the destruction on Petite Savanne, and having had to take the decision to evacuate the entire village, discussions would have to be ensured in respect to how do you address the displaced people and issues of resettlement.
I'm therefore pleased to inform you that today your government will be signing an agreement for the construction of homes at the Bellevue Chopin to resettle 311 families from Petite Savanne.
After meeting the agreements for the design, development and construction with the government through the CBI program, MMCE started the journey in summer of 2016. Bulk excavation works were done in 2017 through the local contractors. Structural works were in good progress until the fateful day of September when Hurricane Maria hit Dominica. Due to logistical problems, constructions were halted and were resumed in May 2018. In the interim, the architectural designs were reviewed. Redesigning was made to ensure that the new homes will be more climate resilient. In December 2018, 38 families were given keys to their new homes in Bellevue Chopin.
Harold Francis.
One of them were Harold's.
The day they had the ceremony, we went there, and then we did not know which house was ours. When we opened that door to come in, we could not understand ourselves that we were coming to that type of house that we received. And when I look at the building itself, the house and everything therein, I just cannot compare what I had up in Petite Savanne with this type of building. Because in Petite Savanne, as soon as it rains, then your heart starts pumping because you know the danger that is on the way. Because if anything, you cannot leave the community because it is prone to landslide all over the place. But in here, I sleep peaceable with my family. We have no fear. Rainfalls, we have no fear. Thunder roll, we have no fear.
The construction is in swift progress since the start of 2019, paving the road to completion of the new community. As new doors opened to more displaced families in March and July of this year, Petite Savanne is coming alive again. Fabian is thankful to start life anew in Bellevue.
Here is safer than where I was before. Because here, the way they build the homes, it will take a strong wind to throw it down. It's closer to town, and most of my work is in town, so it gives me an ease in bus fees.
4 years after Erika, the people of Petite Savanne are back on their feet, creating new memories to cherish in Bellevue, Chopin.
I am so happy that right now is I feel more at rest with myself. I could live, and knowing that my grandmother is safe, my kids are safe.
I am very pleased of the house. I'm comfortable, nothing to complain about.
A promise made, kept, and fulfilled. Indeed, Housing Dominica has made immense contribution to the nation's goal to build back better.